Okay, fast one. Now, this is a request of Miss S. Okay, who asked me to how do I use multiple channel analysis. Okay, multiple channel analysis is a TD Ameritrade platform. Okay, you can see here. You right click here, go to draw a drawing. You can see here we got multiple different patterns. We got percentage of Fibonacci retracements. We got extensions. We got time series. We got recession line, recession channel, and all these things. For us, we just for this case, we're doing as a channel. Okay, channel here. Can see a channel here now. Can see this one channel here extended over here. I create a channel here, right over here. We will use the latest low. The latest 3 months low will be right over here. Okay lah. For discussion purpose, we will take this one. We will take the 3,000 level for Amazon as the channel low. Thomas, you must go to the lowest part. Yes and no. Why yes and no? Because you look carefully, most of the 3,000 have multiple support. This level here at 3,000, 2,880 level is only one candle. So ladies and gentlemen, when you draw a channel or draw a support resistance line or draw a trend line, best to have many cut-off points as possible. And another thing you need to know, be careful, to take note, the one nearest to you is considered the most powerful. That means what? If you want to do an analysis, so which one is the most key one? Depends on your time frame. If you want to do a 30 days trade, a 60 days trade, then your level at the level at 3,120 20 plus level will be the more consideration. Of course, if you want to do a trade that is a investment for 5 years, then a 1 year low will be good enough. It depends what is the duration objective of a trade. Now, normally what will happen? Let me see here. See, normally Thomas, when I draw the nine, only got two nine only, the top nine and the bottom nine. Yes, this is one of my customized variations. So how do I adjust it? You right click here onto the look carefully. Go to the tier 9 here on top. You see channel, right click here, edit properties. Edit property will come out channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. You see here normally most of the time here, okay, you can see here, it's come like that one. This is what you see one. Okay, the standard default is this high, the top 9, bottom 9. But TD Ameritrade, like all other good brokers, have multiple systems. You can see here now. You can see a channel 1, etc. You don't need for you to have more than what we call a multiple channel analysis. You need to click here, click there, click here. So now Thomas, you can see the coefficient 25%, 0.5, 25%, 50%, 7%. This one is very simple forward. Listen carefully. This one is based on the 0.25 to 0.5, 0.75 is based on the fact that the channel high, the channel low is 100%. Okay? Now, so if you want, you can create a channel. Thomas, I would like to create a channel. The bottom channel I want to do is 0.10 here. Then the mid channel, I will leave it at 50%. 50% means the 9 you draw, you see the 9 here, this blue, I change it to green color for you. We can change it to green. You can change it any color you want to. Okay, the top red is top high, the bottom red is bottom low, the upper small and lower channel. Then the 0.5% is a mid channel, you can change to green color. Then Thomas, if I use 0.1 here, that means here, but 0.1 here, that means here must be also must not 0.1 again, must be what? 0.9. Why 0.9? It's simple. The 3,000 to 3,500% is considered the channel high, channel low is considered 100%. So if I put 0.1 means what? The top 10%, the bottom 10% got one come out 9. So let me show to you So let me go and do something. Let me go the width 9 here. Let me do something in medium here. It's just the thickness, it's just the style, whatever. I don't care. You see, so you can see here, Thomas, the top red one, the bottom red one is a China high, the China low. Then the blue one, the blue line is what? China low plus 10%, China high minus 10%. So you create what we call a China, and the green line in between is 50% of the China line. Okay, so this is how you use it. We can discuss it another day. So now you can, based on what the chat pattern see, Amazon now is trading a trading a sideways market. The price now is in the middle of the China. So you want to do a bullish trade, bearish trade, just be careful. Nothing wrong. But by the way, you can use this channel on a 15 minutes time frame. You can use this channel on the 1 day, 15 minutes, whatever. Not a big deal. I should you. It can be used on 15 minutes time frame. You can use on 10 minutes time frame. You can use 1 hour time frame. Of course, if you want to, you can use it on also on a 15-year time frame also can. So let me show you how to use it. 15-year time frame. You can see if I go do this here 15 years time frame you see a 15 year. So if I draw this line, extend it to left hand side, you can see here. Currently now, our good friend is actually in the sideways market. As a sideways market, but in the bigger picture of context of technical analysis, okay, we are actually in a bullish state. Thomas, are you sure bullish now? It's dropping. No, please, it's a bullish state in a multi-year time frame. Look carefully, you can see the break here now. This is 2014, 2015, 2016. It's called multi-year time frame analysis. When you say bullish, you must define time frame. I don't like people that, oh, I'm bullish, bearish. You must define time frame. I want to do trading. You must define time frame. What's the context? Everything you trade, every strategy sure winner one. Every form of strategy indicators, technical analysis, price action analysis, option premium analysis, mean analysis, Y analysis, all are valid if you use it in the right context. The problem is always the right context. Most of you are trading dumb. I just take the method, trade the method or strategy without putting it in the right context. So if you look at it carefully, you can say for the last 1 year or so it's actually bullish. Why? You can see here in a this year something like this is a weekly candles for 15 years. Don't tell me it's bearish. So when I said now bearish means that in what context? It's only in what context? 15-year cycles bullish. Okay, 1 year cycle sideways market. Okay, if I go into 15 days, 15 minutes, it's bullish. Thomas, why is bullish? Excuse me, it's considered bullish. Why? Because yesterday market price hit the high, hit a 5-day high of $3,297, and compared to the 5-day low, it's 3,172. So in a 5-day 50 minute is bullish. In the 1 year chart pattern is sideways. In a multi-year context is bullish. So ladies and gentlemen, when you do trading attack, there always must be in the context of whatever you're trading. And now, if you are talking about this hourly candles, 20 days hour, I think 20 days or 30 days. Let me check the timing first. This is happened to be 30 days, 1 hour candles. So in the last 30 days, you can safely say it's sideways market. What do you mean by sideways market? It's sideways market because it's not making a new low, it's not making a new high. So now how do I use this multi-candle context? Why do I right click this one, delete this one off? Now you are looking at what now? Let me delete all the channels. Okay, so now this is 30 days, 1 hour candles. Oh, by the way, just for information, those people don't understand, I use this platform I set to show pre-market and post-market. The white colors is official trading hours, market open hours. The gray colors is post-market, pre-market. So for sake argumentative, you want to use pre-market, post-market analysis, very simple. We can take the chart low here. Draw a parallel line. You can go to the, we can look for the day high, we can look for the chart high. You see now, we can do it on the pre-market or post-market. I prefer to do it based on the what high, based it on the actual high. So this actual high is roughly, wait, check first. This one is what? This one is check first, 24 to 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay, this one is valid. I think so. Check first. This one is 3 a.m. in the morning, so this one is chart higher. So we use that chart higher for example. So by doing this here, look carefully. I put the chart low and put a chart higher. So it's telling me what the current market price, current post market price of 3281 is still in the channel. Why China? You can see here the red line, the bottom red line is the channel low. The top red line is a channel high. This one is set up to what 75, 25%, 25%, 75%. You see if you want to do adjustment, so technically you can say in the 30 days, in the 30 days 1 hour chart pattern cycle is actually within a channel, sideways channel. Okay, I think that's enough for learning purpose. Okay, you can teach you how to set up. So repeat again how to set up here. Right click here. You go to your channel. You go to red line on top. Right click here. Edit the properties. You can adjust the color from here. Most of which one the best? You can do it at 0.005%. You can put any numbers. Thomas, my function number is 18. So, okay, fine, no problem. The top part is 18. The bottom part is what? 82. Okay? It's just tools for you to do. Just make sure you just click OK. And if you really want to, you can save a default. This one, 20%, 25% top, 75% lower channel is very safe. I here is set up the default. The factory default is different. Okay? So you want your wish. Thomas, I want to change the number to 20. Can. If the top part is 20, the bottom part must be 80. Why? Remember the channel from the bottom channel to the red channel, the bottom red channel to the top red channel is 100%. Okay. For those people who are not so sure, you can do this way. Red color here, change to here, change to here, change it to yellow here, thin line. Then you click save as default. Therefore, you have a system that show you the top 20% and the bottom 20%, and the middle channel is what? Is 50% is a middle channel. Voila, you got the top red and blue channel is top 20%. The bottom red and blue channel is bottom 20%. The yellow line is midpoint. This should be enough. I send this to Miss S and the rest of you all.